today is a big day of human towers during the town festival Festamato of Ivanova Hill Cruise. And here we have our local team, Burdegas Ivanova, entering the square with the so-called walking killer, Ilar Kaminan. We are three teams present here today. The local team, Burdegas Ivanova. We have the green team, Yellow Villafranca, and light purple third, Soyaldova, Taiwan. Inspired. Best performance so far.